Looking at the ceiling, I'm counting the days. There goes your manners down to the bottom. There goes your manners willing to cooperate. Then it's hard to tell you kindly that ain't what I'm like. Ooh, guess I gotta find us a way out. One time too many, I said. It's a long way to look alike. That is what you say. Sister, slow down your tan, I'm gonna miss you alive. There goes your ideas have been stolen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was I caught a fish alive? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Ouch! Very good. Now, twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above they were so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Very good. Now, Itsy Bitsy Spider. The Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain